Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, wreaths can be very expensive. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can make your own for a very affordable price. Dollar Tree has so many different options to choose from, and mostly everything that I use in my wreaths came from the Dollar Tree. So I will be sharing with you guys how I made them. So let's get started. So this first wreath I purchased this from Hobby Lobby when Hobby Lobby always has a sale. So this wreath was 50% off 20 bucks. So I paid $10 for this wreath, but all of the ornaments and decor that I put on it came from the Dollar Tree. And right now I'm just simply placing everything to figure out how I wanted my layout to be, and then I would just hot glue everything down. So this project takes no more than 10 minutes. It was very easy and very quick. You just need to gather all of the ornaments that you want to put on your wreaths. So once you have everything laid out the way you want, you just simply hot glue each ornament onto the wreath. What I did was try to hide where I put the glue so it will look seamless and it would look like the ornaments were coming from the actual garland around the wreath. And then I just made sure that you couldn't see the glue, and then I covered the top of the ornament with an extra piece of the garland from the wreath. So you can't see the top of that green ornament that I just glued down. So as you can see, I'm using the branches from the actual wreath to cover where I'm gluing the ornament on, just to make it look professional and make it look like I purchased it this way. So once I'm done gluing everything down, this is how the wreath turned out. I actually gifted this to my parents, and it is now on their front door, and they absolutely love it. So for this second wreath, I purchased it from Michael's. It was also 50% off, so it came up to $4. You guys, you really have to take advantage of those 50% off deals at Michael's and Hobby Lobby because they save you so much money. So I wanted to keep this wreath very simple but still festive, so I only added gold ornaments with hints of brown as well because it actually matched my front door, since my front door is also brown. So these pine cones were actually left over from the fall wreath that I made. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down in the description box below. And I decided to add these pine cones to my wreath just to add that extra hint of brown to tie along with the look I was going for. So like always, once you have everything in place, you just want to glue everything down. And make sure you hide where you're gluing, making sure nothing sticks out or it looks tacky. You just want it to make it look like you purchased it that way. So once I finished gluing everything down, this is how it turned out. This one was probably my favorite because it was so simple, but it was still festive and I really like the colors. So for the final and last wreath, everything on this wreath came from the Dollar Tree. I mean, everything. The ribbon, the actual wire wreath, everything was from the Dollar Tree. So this one was the most affordable. So for this one, I'm just wrapping that gold ribbon across the wire wreath. This actually took a while to wrap it around, so I recommend catching up on some TV shows or Netflix and chill while you're doing this, because it did actually take me a while to loop it across, but eventually I did it. So I will just speed this up because I know you don't want to sit here and watch this entire process. So here we go. And you guys, I do not recommend this ribbon. Glitter was everywhere. It was all over my floor. So if you see this ribbon in Dollar Tree, do not get it, because although it's cute, glitter drops everywhere. Just an FYI. So once I'm done wrapping the ribbon across the metal wreath, I am taking this garland that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. This was also 50% off, so I think this was $2.50, I believe. And what I'm going to do is just wrap this around the entire wreath, but leaving space in between so you can still see the glitter. So I'll be showing you that here, and I will speed up the video as well. And to secure that garland onto the wreath, I just added some hot glue to hold it in place, and this was the only spot that I used the hot glue, on the beginning and the end. Other than that, I just wrapped it around the wreath. So once I was finished wrapping the garland around the wreath, I am now trying to decide how I want to decorate it. I didn't know if I wanted to just add different ornaments going around it. So that's what I'm doing here, just trying to figure out how exactly I wanted to design it. And I decided to use this plant or this flower arrangement that I found at the Dollar Tree. It did have a pine cone attached to it, but I secured it more in place with the glue gun. So I kept this wreath very simple, so this is how it turned out. It was very cute, but still simple at the same time, and this is how it turned out. And you guys, let me know in the comment section which wreath was your favorite, and like always, thank you guys so much for watching, and happy holidays to each and every one of you. Bye!